you doing? My name is John. Welcome to my channel. Today's video, I will show you the steps that I went through to apply a PPF to the front end of my 2021 Model 3. If you're thinking about doing it yourself, maybe watch the video and help you make up your mind whether you want to do it yourself or send it to a professional. Also, I'll share some of my little secrets, my little personal secrets that I use for maintaining my vehicles that could apply to any vehicle, not just a Tesla. So please think about subscribing, hit that like button, leave some comments, and let me know what you think on the video. If you think things I can improve on, just let me know. And I know this is like my second video, so the quality is a little bit there, but we're working on it. We're getting better. So stick around and let me know what you think. Thanks. Okay, right now, a little too close here. Right now I'm doing a clay bar treatment to the front end to do some kind of manual decontamination. Make sure there's no little particles or anything in there that gets between me and the clear coat before I do a light polish on the front. So just wanted to give you an idea. Usually I have a clay mitt that I use, but this time I'm going with a clay bar. And you can see I lubricated it up. Make sure I get some good lubrication before I take it off, and you can feel it. You can feel the smoothness underneath there. So that's what I'm doing now. Okay, so here's an example of Tesla paint. I'm not sure if you can see it in the camera, but there is a part right in there, right there, you can see it. I don't know how far deep, it looks like it could be in the base coat. I just touched up this part right here. As you can see, I've got a really good shine on that. I'm gonna hit that spot one more time, see if I can get it out. And then I'm going to go ahead and finish the hood. And you can already see some micro scratches into the clear coat. This is really soft clear coat. In fact, if I could, oh, here it is. Perfect polish, Angel Wax Perfect Polish. Very, very good stuff. It's more of a jeweling finishing product, light polishing pad that I got from Eurofiber. Is it Eurofiber? Yeah, I think it is. Euroshine, I'm sorry. I'll have to put that on I'll put that in the description of what I'm using. But this, you could sit on this paint pretty much all day and you're not gonna grind away on the clear coat. You're just gonna shine and put in the gloss on the top. So, like again, I'm just basically exfoliating the paint so that I could get some of this paint protection on it. And later on, I'll put a ceramic coating on it. Okay, I did a pass on it. I'd say it looks about 30, 35, maybe 40% better than it did. Gets a little tricky here because I don't know how many people are out there or have done this before with polishing cars or doing paint correction, but you don't want to chase after scratches. So your clear coat is very important. Basically for the UV protection, every 5 years your UV protection on your paint or your clear coat goes down by 50%. So you want to help it out a little bit by not chasing those scratches and digging through your clear coat, because the clear coat is going to be less than 2 millimeters. It's probably more like 1.5 on this car. So we're not even going to be doing anything noticeably different. You're not going to be able to measure what we're doing. So we're going to stay good to the clear coat and make sure that we don't sacrifice that UV protection. Okay, polished it. What you see in the haze on there right now is this right here. Some Geon Prep alcohol, distilled water and alcohol solution to take all the oils and any kind of polish left off of it. So you can see it's still very shiny. Let me see if I can get a good light here for you guys. There you go. As you can see, I don't know how it's coming out on the camera, but good solid, nice crisp light, beam of light. Okay, so here's what I got so far. It's kind of hard to see with that light on, but I got that quarter panel right there, and I got the hood. Toughest part was wrapping this around the edges because although I've done this before, I've not had to wrap it, and the trick was for me was I needed to break out the hairdryer to get it wrapped around the edges. Overall, it looks pretty good, and I'm gonna finish off with this quarter panel front half right here, and then I'm gonna move to the bumper. Okay, this is just a few days later, and cleaned it up, take it out in the sun. It's a nice 60-degree day. So what I was able to accomplish is the left fender there, the hood, and the right fender, or vice versa, depending on which way you are. The bumper was a complete fail. Spoke to a few people who actually do this for a living, and wow, there's a lot of stretching going on here, and it's extremely difficult. So looks like I'm going to have to go back and have a professional do it, somebody who's done it before, because it was just too much of a challenge for me, and I'm just throwing money down the drain to keep trying. So again, took it out. It's a nice day. There, I just showed you the Corolla, which I have actually put PPF on as well. I had to do the voiceover for this because there's actually music here and I didn't want to get this taken down. But yeah, I didn't get a chance to clean the carpet there. But what I'm showing you here is that I've actually had some um, Geon ceramic coating. Here, I can probably show you there. It's called Geon Shield, Leather Shield. It's what I've put onto the interior, works just fine. I've also used some 303 here to clean up the dash. It's not very shiny, looks good, UV protection. Leather shield, like I said, it's good for about a year. No problem on the white interior, it looks really good, you can't even tell, no shine. And then also there I'd like to, I have the Geon View to put onto the windshield. It's kind of like Rain-X. And there we go. That's what I like to put on the cars. Before I do a ceramic coat, I at least put on some polished angel to keep it shiny, because I still want to keep it shiny even though I don't have my ceramic coat on it yet. But going back to Geon View, that's like Rain-X, lasts for about a year, works really good on the windshield. For the tires, Geon tire. I'm a big Geon fan if you haven't noticed. Shines it up real good. You can have it shiny, or you can put it, make it a little bit more matte if you take a towel to it after about 20 minutes of it on your tire. And I don't have any issues with that slinging up on my car, so I really like that. Here, I think I'm about to show you that I actually do have a chip. Oh, well, I'm showing you the interior again. Yep, just to demonstrate that I got the back and the front of the leather with the Geon leather shield. I even got the console, so it should work pretty good. But I was able to ended up getting a chip. I only have like 1,800 miles on it. Got a chip right there in the back door. So I went ahead and ordered the mud flaps, which I just got in here recently, so I'm gonna have to put those on. I'll probably put a video up for that. Probably gonna order the spoiler as well. A couple little custom mods that I've seen everybody else do on YouTube that I kind of like. Definitely going to have to get the windows tinted. I do like showing off the white leather, but I just think a nice tint would really make that red pop. Oh, and this is a big shout out to my girlfriend who bought me this for Christmas. It is a blow dryer, or actually heated air to dry off your car. It's very great, it's very good, especially for me. I don't like all the bending if I don't have to, and I can get in all the cracks. It takes care of all the water in the door sills and also into the mirror, so when you're driving off you don't have all the drips just dripping down on your car because you couldn't get to it. So if you're into taking care of your car, think about getting one of those. I'll put the description down, or a link to it down below so you can see what it is, the make, model. There's different kinds out there. This one seems to be working pretty good for me. One of the other things here that I've gotten was this Teslarati license plate holder. So as you can see, I didn't really like the other one being stuck straight to the bumper. I'm a paint guy, don't really like that too much. That worked out pretty good. I like it, and it's not too hard to remove if you need to take it off, so that worked out pretty good. As you can see, I got the Aero wheels. Probably going to replace those soon as well. Maybe look at that in the spring. Um, Not sure if I want to go 19 inches or 20 inches. So, if you guys have one, you have 19 inches, tell me how you like it. If you have the 20 inches, tell me how you like it. Because I think I'm leaning toward the 19-inch wheels. Um, I think that may be a good compromise between ride and a little bit better handling than what I got right now. Okay, well, that's it. Thanks for watching, sticking to the end. I do appreciate it. Again, hit that like. I don't want to beg, but I guess the algorithm really likes that. If you have anything else you'd like to see, any kind of videos that you'd find interesting, please let me know, and I'll see what I can do about posting it. All right, thank you very much, and have a good day.